Siyempre, ang obvious answer, oo, no? Kasi, as sinabi niyo nga kanina, meron tayong constitutional right to privacy. Pero yung right to privacy na yan, dapat din mag-ingat tayong lahat. Kasi, alam naman natin ngayon sa social media, wala nang private ngayon. If you allow yourself to be videoed, you're exposing yourself. No? Kaya lang, itong right to privacy, dapat, lalo na sa situation mo, nakita ko yung rule. Talagang hindi lang, parang yung guy is more on the revenge track, no?
Yes.
Parang revenge na niya yan sa, hindi ko alam kung asawa niya or girlfriend niya, pero nag-cheat yung girl, no?
Yes.
There are three parties involved here. The guy who videoed it, the girl who was the victim, and the boyfriend.
Yes.
Palagay ko, pag three parties ang involved, wala nang privacy dyan. Because the meaning of a secret is between two people. Yung threat na ginawa ng lalaki, separate crime yan, ano? Kasi meron tayong violation of privacy for posting social media, cybercrime law yan. That can be cyber libel.
Ayun na.
Ang libel, pag nasa cyber, pag nasa social media, 1 degree higher pa yan. Ibig sabihin kung may 6 to 12 months, depende sa gravity, ito grabe talaga to. But, ang paalala, ang reminder ko lang sa atin lahat, walang mangyayaring ganyan if we value our human dignity. Paalala natin sa atin lahat, di ba? First of all, cheating is not a acceptable social behavior. Tama?
Yes.
Okay, so if yun ang pinagmulhan na to. Kung ikaw yung babae at hindi mo na mahal yung asawa mo o yung current relationship mo, be truthful about it. Otherwise, you expose yourself to social embarrassment, cyber crimes, kagaya nitong posting, at saka exposure sa family, no? And sa work, no?